Royalty may be at each other's throats at the moment. For right now, we're focusing on bellies. And while Delhi Belly may be one of my favorite movies, today it was all about jelly bellies. As Rani Mukherjee and Vaibhavi Merchant showed me how to shake my body like a belly dancer. By the way, the jelly belly is mine and not Rani's. And while Rani certainly got fire in her belly, it seems it was the studly Prithviraj who got the fire in Vaibhavi's belly set alight.
गोरे लोग नहीं, मुझे काले लोग पसंद है.
I've always known that Rani Mukherjee had fire in her belly because let's face it, she's a fiery actress. I did not know there was so much fire. However, what belly dancing is that? My God, you've really taken it to another level altogether.
Yeah, I know, and all thanks to her because she came with the idea that we have to do something wonderful with the song because the song was so powerful.
Dream wake up critical condition
I would have fire in my belly if I had a co-star who looked like that around me, honestly. That man is really gorgeous. Yeah. Was he distracting to be around by any chance?
Not at all for me. I don't know about her.
Oh, very cleverly done.
Artham, Quakapam, Hilladala Sabashikapam.
I've been asked this many a times that don't you get like...
Don't worry, it's national television. Don't
you get like don't you feel attracted or don't you feel like any of that? You have to understand that the kind of mind space I'm in, she's actually making faces behind my back, right?
And saying a lot of telling
No.
Right. Anyway, so I must let you know this. I have to keep an absolute straight face, which I must tell you is a facade. It's just a myth. I actually am burning from within because I lust for the man. Happy?
Finally, the truth comes out. I knew someone was lusting after this man. Rani, of course, very clever.
Forget Vaibhavi, I can't actually name a lot of other people who were lasting behind him. And not necessarily of the same sex.
Oh, okay, now this is really getting interesting.
Let me not get into the actual details of...
I mean, come on, it's such an eye candy. Like, you have to like such an eye candy, so you can't like
There's
not.
so much of eye candy. Obviously, you are the eye candy as well. And with this song,
eye candy. Listen, I am not eye candy at all. I am not any eye candy.
Please zoom in on that and you will know what eye candy is. Come on, look at the two of you together. That's pretty awesome, I have to say.
Yeah, body hitting them, hot seating them, calling fire brigade, be defeating them.
And I also want to get a little bit of that magic rub off of me. I know I'm going to be very cliched, but can you show me the step? Oh, Rani, now come on. You have not done it for any.
I will make ma'am, Vaibhavi ma'am, teach you the moves. Come on, Vebs.
Just so you know, I'm not.
No, but you've made me dance. I like dance. Like
to my
Okay,
tears.
this is going to be Delhi belly. This is going to be jelly belly.
but actually she got a good belly. Okay.
Don't be conscious of the belly. Sometimes you have to push it out for it to go in so that it looks like you have to almost let it... breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, in your case, what I'm inspired to tell you to do is also move your hips sideways. Just move your hips sideways.
Oh
now
my God.
Just feel like there is this smooth chocolate sauce dripping off your belly. Come on, let's do it. Let's do our very own midnight masala in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
Okay, we're being told to wrap up. I think that's a good idea before this goes too far. Shah Rukh Khan turns birthday